Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to capitalize each word in Microsoft Word document. So as we can see, we have these documents and text. If you want to capitalize each word, so you need English text, and press enter. Now here guys, we have this text. To capitalize each word, each letter, each letter, select, and here you have to click on this double A, change case. Change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalization. So click here and select capitalize each word. Now we can see each word is capital. So this is the method guys, you can make capital each word in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.